Egusi Soup, a true Nigerian classic. Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Funke. Today we're diving into the almighty Egusi Soup. Yes, so almighty Egusi Soup. It's giving flavor, richness, and that traditional touch that slaps every time. Let's get into it. To make this sumptuous meal, here's what you will need: Egusi seeds, palm oil, scotch bonnet, panla, salt and seasoning, beef stock, crayfish powder, locust beans, this is optional, momo, onions, stockfish, beef, and of course, ugu leaves. To start, I'm going to show you how I cook my beef. First, I'm going to wash them thoroughly, then transfer them into a pot. Next, I'm going to add onions, salt, and seasoning cubes. Then I'm going to mix them all together thoroughly, and I'm going to cover and cook until the meat is soft. To cook my egusi, I'm going to first rinse the seeds in water. You can skip this step if you already have the ground egusi. I prefer mine this way because it allows me to wash the seeds thoroughly before blending. Once I'm done washing them, I'm going to transfer into a blender along with onions, and I'm going to blend them into a smooth paste. Next, I'm going to add palm oil into a pot or pan. I will let that heat up a little before going in with my onions to saute them for a few minutes. After sauteing, I'm going to proceed to pour the blended egusi paste into the pot. Next, I'm going to gently stir and then cover and allow to fry while stirring occasionally so it doesn't burn. This took around 8 to 10 minutes. Once the egusi has formed and looks dry a bit and soaked in the palm oil, it's time to add scotch bonnet and every other thing. By every other thing, I mean the meat, the smoked fish, stockfish, crayfish powder, momo, and beef stock. Next, I'm going to stir this together thoroughly until we're combined. Then I'm going to taste to adjust the taste because of the amount of beef stock I poured in it. I'm then going to add salt and seasoning cube, stir together again, then cover and allow to cook for another 10 minutes on medium heat. After 10 minutes, I'm going to open the lid and add locust beans. Like I said earlier, this is completely optional. I just love the taste of locust beans in my soup. So I'm going to stir again and cover and allow to cook for another 5 minutes. Lastly, I'm going to add ugu leaves. The amount of ugu leaves to use depends on how much ugu you want in your soup. As for me, I like just a handful. I'm going to gently stir this together, then cook for another 2 minutes. You don't need to cook this for long so that the ugu leaves can retain its freshness and vibrant color. And just like that, our egusi is ready. Look at how flavorful, look at the color, look at how vibrant the color of this egusi is. What would you pair this with? Fufu, eba, pounded yam, or semo? The OG snow is pounded yam. But do let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Kindly subscribe for more amazing recipes. Thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.